Welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. If you are not watched previous videos, please go and watch the previous videos also. There I had covered the basic commands of the Linux, and also I had covered the permissions and architecture of the Linux, and also I had covered the file system of the Linux. So today we are going to learn the apt package manager. In the Ubuntu, so we have the two distributions. One is the Red Hat distribution. Second one is the Debian distribution. Okay, in the Red Hat distribution, we will use the RPM and yum package manager that we will learn in the next videos. Okay, in the Debian, we will use the apt and dpkg. So here, these two are the popular package manager in the Ubuntu. So most popular is the apt package manager because there are major difference between the apt and dpkg. So that is, if you use the dpkg, you have to install the dependencies your own. For example, you have the A is the package and it has the dependency on the B package. If you are using the dpkg, you have to download the B package first and install it. Then you have to install the A package. This is somewhat tricky. And apt package manager is used for install the packages, but apt package is download the dependencies and install the package with that dependencies. It will manage the dependency and it will install the packages also. Because of that, most of the people use the apt package manager in the Ubuntu. So let's learn how to install the packages. With using the apt package management, we can install the package, we can remove the package, we can upgrade the package, okay. So these are the things we can do using the apt package management. So let's see one by one in the practical way. For this, you have to create the one Linux machine and you have to log in that, and you can practice all the commands. You need the Ubuntu machine for practice this. Okay, here for install and update the package, you have to first update the packages into the Ubuntu. So for that, you have to use the apt update. If you run this, it will not allow to the install or update the packages into the normal user. Now I had logged in into the Ubuntu user. Ubuntu is the normal user into the Ubuntu server. It is not having any root privileges to install the packages. If you want to get the root privileges, you have to use the sudo apt update. Okay. For installing any packages, you need the root privileges to install the packages into the Ubuntu. So if you run the apt update, it will update your repository in the Ubuntu server. Okay, it will update with the latest packages into your repository. Now here you can see reading the package list done, building the dependency tree done, reading state information done. 129 packages can be upgraded. Run apt list upgradable. So these are the things automatically done by the sudo apt update command. Okay, now I want to install one package. For installing the package, syntax is sudo apt install your package name. Okay, now I want to install the tree package. Sudo apt install tree. Now see, this tree package is installing. Okay, if you want to check that tree package is installed or not, you can use the tree version. It will give the package version information. Now here you can see our tree package has installed version 2. Okay, now this package has installed. Okay, for installing that package, we use the sudo apt install tree, right? Here in the Ubuntu we have the apt and apt-get package manager. Both are work in the similar way. You can use the apt or you can use the apt-get. Both will work in the same way. For example, we will see one example using the apt-get also. Sudo apt-get install. You can give the any package name here. For example, I am using the tmux is the package name. I'm installing here. See, if it is already present, it will not install the package. Now tmux package is already installed in my server, so it is not going to install any packages. Means whenever you are installing, first it will check is it installed in our server or not. Then if it is not installed, then it will install the package into your server. If it is installed, it will not install any package. Then it will give the message like it is already installed in newest version. Okay. Now if you want to install the multiple packages, for example tmx and for example tree, for example vm, you can give the sequence of package names and press the enter. So it is asking you want to install these packages, you can press the yes and give the enter. So it will install all the packages. You no need to command 3 times. Okay, you can install all the packages in the single command also. For installing the multiple packages, you have to give the only package name. For example, apt install your package name like vim space, for example git, any package name you can give the package name. These are the examples. Okay, now while installing the package, it is asking yes or no question for installing those packages. If you want to disable that, now you can use that apt install, for example tree -y. Then it will disable the question while install. It is asking while installing and installing the packages, right? It will disable that. It will not any question to the you, can I install or not. Okay, it will disable that question. For that you can use the -y. Okay, until now we learn the how to install the packages. If I want to remove the packages, you can use the sudo apt remove your package name. For example tree is my package name. Now you can see here it is using yes or no question. If you want to disable that, you can run with the -y. So it will not ask any question. It will directly remove the package. Okay, it's remove the packages. If you want to remove the package, you can use the apt remove your package name. For removing the package also we have the another one option, apt purge your package name. So it will remove the all the dependent packages also. Apt sudo apt purge. For example, we had installed tmux package, right? -y. Now you can see it is uninstalling all the packages with the dependency also. Now you can see these are the dependent packages. It is installed, uninstall all the packages. Okay, now clear. Just we had seen the how to install the package and how to remove the packages, right? If you know only package name but you don't know the which package for install that package, you don't know the which package you have to install. Okay, for searching that, you can use the apt sudo apt -cache search, or you can use the apt search your package name, any package name, and it will give the package information. For example tree, so it is giving the all the packages which contains the tree command. So you can take any command and you can install the tree. based on your requirement. Okay, sometimes you will get the requirement you can install the some specific package which has the tree. So you can take any package like copy here and install that into your server. Okay, until now we seen the how to install the packages, but our requirement is to install the specific version of the package. For example, I have the nginx. I want to install the nginx as a package, but some specific version. For that you have to search the package versions are available into your server. For that we have the command sudo apt -cache search no apt cache medicine your package name. So it will search the packages with the version. So apt search is the search the packages with the package name, but it is the search the packages with the package name and versions. For example, now I want to install the package with this version 1.18.0. So for installing that you can use the command sudo apt install nginx. Until now installing the package directly package name. If you use the directly package name, it will install the latest package. Means whatever the latest package is available into the server, that package will be installed. But sometimes your manager will say you can install the stable version, which is previous one. For example, now my package is the latest one is the 1.19. For example, it will install the 1.19 nginx version, but my manager said to install the 1.18 in our server. So on that time you have to install the specific version of your package. So on that time you will take the help of the this command for searching the versions in your server, and you can install the specific version in your server. Okay, copy this version nginx is equal to, for installing that you can use the sudo apt install nginx is equal to that version name and -y. So it will install the specific version of nginx. If you want to get the information about the your package name, so which version had installed, okay, you can use the sudo apt info your package name. So now you can see your package name is the nginx, your version is the 1.18.0. So priority is the optional, origin is the ubuntu. This all the information will be given by the apt info. So here you can see the what is the size and what are the dependent packages. This all the information will be given by the apt info your package name. Okay, now you want to upgrade the all the packages into the server, you can use the sudo apt upgrade. It will take some time to upgrade all the packages. So it will upgrade all the packages, it will take a time. So if you want to upgrade it, you can upgrade it. So I am not going to upgrade here because it is take a time. So if your requirement is to upgrade your server, so you can use the apt upgrade command. Okay, now I am here pressing the n. If you want to upgrade, you can press the y. So it will upgrade all the packages into the server. With the similar way, for searching the specific version, that we are using the apt cache medicine command. In the similar way, another one command is there, sudo apt list -a and your package name. It will also give the same output whatever given by the apt cache medicine command. So here you can see it will also giving the list of packages which are available into your server with version name. Okay, so I want to cover these things in this session. So we will cover some extra if you want some more detail, so you can comment me, and I will cover that in the detail app package manager. So thank you for listening this session. If you like my session, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.